Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Brampton local and long-distance movers near me. When moving over a vast amount of miles, you attempt to envision beautiful, prolonged road journeys but are disrupted by the sight of squeezing every family member together with the luggage. Wouldn't it be a lot easier if a truck could take those large boxes and you can still enjoy the scenery of Brampton? You can also choose the option of 2 men and a truck. One might be less, but 2 is the perfect number with hands-free, efficient moving service. Cheap prices might be a better option, but then you are just left with packing and dumping of the valuables at the destination. Our local moving service ensures double-checking of your every small belonging and packing according to the degree of fragility. These are also coupled with advice on local moving charges and damage protection. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Brampton moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.